Hello, welcome to this amateurish video where I explain you about our solution in front of a not moving slideshow. Yeah, we have been used to those fast moving shots. So this is kind of a descriptive video where if you want more context you come here. And if you're watching this, thank you. And here I'm going to explain you about a solution cello in a brief manner. Cello is a simple word and which feels familiar, so we chose that if that's adding to a context to what we mean. So how did we come up with this solution? This is a technical solution, not gonna go point by point here like reading of the PPT. So what I'm going to do here is just explain you about how did we come up with this idea. So what happened is past year we have been applying to hackathons left, right and center. So we got selected in quite a few of them. So we had to travel to other cities like Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Chennai for participating in these hackathons. We as a group needed to plan a lot. There was a lot of work. Like, let's say a hackathon is in next week or so, and I had to, conduct a Google meeting every evening with my team and plan out. So, what are the tickets and where should we stay? How are we going to plan out the trip? For the whole week, every night, I had to plan out every single thing. And sometimes the things didn't go as planned. For example, we went to Hyderabad and we planned to take on a bus which we had under budget, and we was watching about the tickets and watching those tickets not go up. Budget issues, we are still students and etc. So we went there, and we initially in Bengaluru we used to use cabs, and it was very early in the morning, so we had no cabs available or autos available and there. So we had to use metro, which was quite new to us. So there are plannings, there are a lot of miscalculations and stuff that go on even if you plan a solid planning. Okay, whatever, I'm going other communication or other route. So coming to our solution, Cello is an AI powered application which is flexible to web, Android, or iOS. We can make it to anything. We have listed all the technologies here because we could go with a single technology, and sometimes things won't work out or things won't end up as we intend to. Let's say we wanted to make a Python based AI model, basically just run it. Sometimes the libraries go outdated and stuff happens, life happens if you know the code. So, what are we really trying to do here is with our solution, this is going to list out all the available platforms. Like, let's say we go to a hackathon in Microsoft Office, Bengaluru, South Park. Let's say that. So, the location is in, I guess, South Park. I don't remember the location. Let's say Whitefield. So this Whitefield, you need to take a room in Whitefield. The costs in Whitefield are pretty high, so you need to set a budget. You budget for the entire trip and etc. This AI will list out the best, you know, hotel by reviews or something etc. and give you other solutions too. And sometimes we face the network issues too. So with these network issues, we couldn't communicate better. So we are introducing an offline model where you can save your plannings and etc and other fallback routines or backup plans we call them. Okay, this is our solution on a nutshell. There's an AI based application. This can plan out your traveling, which saves a lot of time. We made a plan by Google search and etc. This AI is going to list you for that, and this is going to reduce your time by a pretty lot. Yeah, and there are questions like what is the difference between ChatGPT and yours? Our solution utilizes ChatGPT's, GPT. I mean, it's not a complete API. We use a different types of models. It depends on the, working capabilities. So with our experience, we tend to use Mistral that showed better results for us. But this time we want to go on a good APIs or something which should be snappy. it should be lightweight and snappy. So how this solution actually works is we take in the Google Maps data, and this Google Maps data goes to an AI model. Basically, we take the data from Google, and this data is processed in our AI model. Mostly, we will develop this AI model because we are quite experienced in that field. We did many projects in those, so we will develop that, and you know, testing and trials. We'll see which works, which won't. So our core right here is an application that will help you reduce time while planning a trip, like an adventure, like you want to go to Kerala this Sunday. So what are the available locations in Kerala? What are like this? We have watched, we wanted to make a Kerala trip. So we had a lot of data collected through YouTube and other stuff. So there's a tool called Fabric, which is open source, which does that, which takes in these YouTube videos and converts the summary into those. Yeah, I think I went in a lot of time just taking your time. Okay, coming to the business point of view. God damn the spam callers. Sorry for that. Coming to the business point of view, how would we monetize this? Bringing in the APIs data, processing the user requests through AI is not cheap. Actually, it costs money. How would we monetize this? So we monetize this by bringing in sponsors or bringing in events or bringing in marketing, just bringing in the eyeballs in there. And we are not going to produce ads right away. Okay, not I'm not going to say ads. So we want to include partnerships with other platforms. With these platforms will ensure this, I mean, people who use this service. Let's just say I partner with some ticket booking company. I have this AI based solution, so I can basically produce a solution in our AI. I mean, there might be some ethical point of questions. I will answer those ethical point of view questions. Coming to these partnerships, how do these work? So, coming to these partnerships, damn, I'm going quite a while. Uh, this ticket booking platform can list in our solution. It's just a preface of a solution where people actually get used to the AI. So we want to help people get used to this AI. And eventually it's just like all the companies do. Bring in a new platform, just give them the platform for free so people could experience that, then charge them money for the same service. Is the same model, similar model, but we want to do it in a softer way, which could be easier for the both consumer and developers like us. I wanted to go in detail, but I just kept on talking upon explaining our shallow solution. There is no script based solution. I mean, there is no script for this video. We just wanted to make a solution and wanted to, express about our challenges. Why did we came up with this solution? So that's it. Thank you if you're watching this. Yeah.